AI tools versus human workers. Did you know that right now, millions of people are worried that AI could replace their jobs? And to be honest, some businesses are already replacing certain tasks and workers with AI tools. But here's the part most people don't fully understand. This is not simply a battle between humans and machines. The real story is much bigger than that. Because AI is changing businesses, marketing, customer service, content creation, and even how people make money online. So in this video, we're going to talk about the real truth behind AI tools versus human workers. No fear-mongering, no confusing tech talk. Just simple explanations anyone can understand. Now let's get into it. Section 1. Why businesses love AI. First question. Why are businesses suddenly starting to use AI everywhere? The answer is simple. AI can help them save time, reduce costs, automate repetitive tasks, and work much faster. For example, AI can now answer customer questions, write emails, generate content, schedule social media posts, and analyze data. The thing is, most businesses love efficiency, and that's why AI adoption in business is growing so quickly. Section 2. What AI is good at. AI is extremely good at certain things. It can process information quickly, work 24 hours a day, handle repetitive tasks, and generate huge amounts of content fast. Think of AI like an incredibly fast assistant. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't sleep, and it can process huge amounts of information. And that's really powerful. Section 3. What humans still do better. But here's the important part. Humans still have huge advantages too. Humans are better at emotion, creativity, humor, empathy, relationships, storytelling, leadership, and real human connection. AI can imitate these things, but it doesn't actually feel any emotions. And that really matters, because humans connect with other humans. And here's the easiest way to understand this. When calculators were invented, people worried they would replace humans completely. But calculators didn't eliminate humans. They became tools. They helped humans work faster. And AI may become something similar. AI is a powerful tool that helps humans become more productive. Now here's where things get serious. Some jobs will probably change because of AI, especially repetitive tasks. For example, basic data entry, simple customer support, basic content generation, and repetitive office work. But throughout history, technology has always changed jobs. When factories appeared, jobs changed. When computers appeared, jobs changed. When the internet appeared, jobs changed again. And now AI is creating another shift in jobs. Section 4. The big opportunity. Here's the opportunity most people are missing. The people who learn how to use AI will probably become far more valuable. Imagine two workers. One ignores AI completely. The other learns how to combine human skills with AI tools. Who do you think may become more efficient? That combination will be more useful for an employer. Section 5. The future of human work. So what does the future probably look like? It will most likely be humans and AI working together. Humans providing ideas, creativity, trust, emotion, and decision-making, while AI helps with speed, automation, research, and repetitive tasks. That combination may become the new normal. Section 6. The real danger. The biggest danger may not be AI itself, it may be refusing to learn about it. Because what you need to remember is that businesses are already changing. Search engines are changing. Marketing is changing. Online business is changing. And nowadays the world moves fast. Here's a simple recap that simplifies everything. AI is very good at speed, automation, and repetitive tasks. Humans are still better at creativity, emotion, trust, and human connection. The future may belong to people who combine both together. Right now, we're probably watching one of the biggest workplace changes in modern history, and most people still don't fully realize it yet. AI is not slowing down, it's only getting smarter. If this video helped you better understand AI versus human workers, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more AI and future technology videos. Do you think AI will help humans or replace them? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.